Oh, what a big bird. What? Huh? Where is Daddy? Huh? I think you better get off the table. Hey?
Mama,
Uh-oh. Sing. Twinkle. Nice.
Dad, Mom, Dad.
Dad, what?
Daddy. Baby.
You are. Good job. Yay. Twinkle. Twinkle.
Oh.
Good. Say. Chip. Up in the cupboard.
Can you turn it?
Tell everybody in the TV Viewland how you did in your school.
No.
What do you mean no?
No.
You know what teacher said. Colton. Huh?
TV.
Well, when we watched this on TV.
What?
What did your teacher say about you? Huh?
You're from a light place to a dark.
That'll work.
Or get over it in dark then.
Oh. Are you done, buddy?
Cody, look at Mom. Are you doing your exercises?
Cody kissing? No. Yes, that baby.
Where's the bug?
What did you say, Cody?
No.
No? What did you say?
No.
I mean no. What did you say? So what? Your idea? Cody, that's hot coffee. No. Hey, what did you
Mom's
say?
gonna videotape scalding of her child. And she's not too bright.
Well, Dad could read.
Or what? Yeah! The opposition. There's the opposition. Oh, there's a Montreal. Oh, it's Becky. There's a Flin Flon Griffin. Okay, let's see who falls down first. There goes the mothers. There they go. There's Eric's mom. There's Corinne. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do.